went this. Hello guys, how are you?
Do you also want to give your boring videos a cinematic and dreamy glow like this? In today's video, we'll learn how to do it using only CapCut. How you can add this glow effect. Let's start this video tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like / hit the like button, subscribe to the channel.